One wrong answer and you're out of the solar system. Almost nobody reaches question 30. How far can you get? Which one is bigger? Earth or Jupiter? Jupiter. 11 Earths would fit side by side across it. Which one is closer to the Sun? Mercury or Earth? Mercury. It is the very first planet out from the Sun. Which one is a star? Sun or Moon? Sun. A giant ball of burning gas. The Moon only reflects its light. Which one is the red planet? Mars or Venus? Mars. Its surface is covered in rusty iron dust. Which one has the famous rings? Saturn or Mars? Saturn. Rings made of countless chunks of ice and rock. Which one do astronauts live on? ISS or Hubble? ISS. People have lived on board without a break since the year 2000. Which one have humans walked on? Moon or Mars? Moon. 12 people have walked on it. Nobody has ever set foot on Mars. Which one is still a planet? Pluto or Neptune? Neptune. Pluto was demoted to a dwarf planet back in 2006. Which one is the second largest planet? Saturn or Neptune? Saturn. About 9 times wider than Earth. Only Jupiter beats it. Which one is hotter? Venus or Mercury? Venus. Around 465 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. Which one is furthest from the Sun? Neptune or Uranus? Neptune. 30 times farther from the Sun than we are. Which one is a moon? Titan or Ceres? Titan. Saturn's biggest moon, and it is wider than the planet Mercury. Which one has the longer day? Venus or Earth? Venus. One spin takes 243 Earth days. Which one has the biggest volcano? Mars or Earth? Mars. Olympus Mons, roughly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Which one has the Great Red Spot? Jupiter or Saturn? Jupiter. A storm so wide the whole Earth would fit inside it. Which one landed on Mars? Curiosity or Voyager 1? Curiosity. It landed in 2012 and is still driving. Which one has stronger gravity? Earth or Moon? Earth. About 6 times stronger. That is why astronauts bounce up there. Which one is a nebula? Orion Nebula? Or Andromeda? Orion Nebula. A cloud of gas and dust where brand new stars are being born. Which one spins on its side? Uranus? Or Neptune? Uranus. Tilted about 98 degrees. It rolls around the sun like a barrel. Which comet comes back sooner? Halley's Comet? Or Hale-Bopp? Halley's Comet. Roughly every 76 years. Most people see it only once. Which is the largest moon? Ganymede? Or Titan? Ganymede. 5,268 kilometers across. The biggest moon we know of. Which one has a thick atmosphere? Titan? Or Europa? Titan. Its air presses down harder than the air here on Earth, and it rains methane. Which one shoots out ice geysers? Enceladus? Or Callisto? Enceladus. Jets of water ice blast hundreds of kilometers into space from its south pole. Which one is more volcanic? Io? Or Moon? Io. Hundreds of active volcanoes. It is the most volcanic world in the solar system. Which one left the solar system first? Voyager 1? Or Voyager 2? Voyager 1. It crossed into interstellar space in 2012, 6 years before its twin. Which one has the shortest year? Mercury? Or Mars? Mercury. It laps the sun in just 88 days. Which one is denser? Earth? Or Saturn? Earth. Saturn is lighter than water. In a big enough ocean, it would float. Which one flew past Pluto? New Horizons? Or Cassini? New Horizons. It reached Pluto in 2015 and gave us the first close-up pictures. Which one spins faster? Jupiter? Or Earth? Jupiter. The biggest planet spins right round in about 10 hours. Which one has the longer year? Neptune? Or Uranus? Neptune. One orbit takes 165 Earth years. Which one is bigger? Ganymede? Or Mercury? Ganymede. A moon of Jupiter is whiter than the planet Mercury. Which one is hotter? Solar corona? Or sun's surface? Solar corona. The sun's outer halo is over 1,000,000 degrees, far hotter than the surface below it. Which black hole was pictured first? M87 black hole? Or Sagittarius A*? M87 black hole. The first ever picture of a black hole, released in 2019. Which one is more massive? Jupiter? Or all the rest? Jupiter. Jupiter outweighs every other planet in the solar system combined, twice over. Whose light takes longer to reach us? Sun? Or Proxima? Proxima. The nearest star after our own. Its light takes 4.2 years to get here, while sunlight takes 8 minutes.